It's like catch-22. The easiest way to create an environment to help my shoulders so that I can do all my coding service like this is to type on the keyboard, which is the antithesis of healing my shoulders. Enough of that. Alrighty then. It had a little broken android robot with its stomach open. It said no command. Now it's doing something. I don't know. Just looking for the other cable. Where is that other cable? Alright, it's back. It's alive. What do you see in there? The goal tonight is to get the screencasting. Oh yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? I gotta find that other wire. So someday these will just be glasses. It'll be hard to find normal glasses. No, maybe not. But these will be glasses. Your headset is ready to cast. Go to oculus.com/casting on your computer within 60 seconds. Oculus.com/casting. Damn. Where are you at? Never tried this before. Let's go see what's going on in this app. I want to create a projector. Select computer. TriCasting again. You're now showing your headset view on another device. Bada boom. But then, ooh, very good. Swiggle/plus/ 168.0.23 HTTPS. I don't know if you can hear any of this. There we go. What's going on? Herbutils. See if I can figure out a clever way to keep this. It's got a sensor to see if my forehead works. Just put my hat in there for a minute. I want my hat on. Boy, this is something I've never tried. There we go. Enter VR. Allow. So now we're in this world. And then the goal is capital F. We gotta create a file editor. This is very naive approach to working on data in this environment. The goal, however, is to create the minimal starting point so that we can code our way out. Create the world seed for all you Sword Art Online fans. So this is one top priority, is to get off of the keyboard or the phone. My dear humans, we have some work to do. The end game here, what's the end game? We're not gonna go backwards on our technology, so we have to create a form of technology that doesn't kill us all. That's the simple version, isn't it? I think we can all agree to that. I want to be able to get stronger physically while I code. I want the technology I surround myself with to transcend the confines of space-time. The other project, which I want to be able to do in here,
is to catalog and revamp my portfolio, I guess. Like, I'm thinking chronologically going through some things I've done, but there's just pieces in there along the way that I want to, the map, for example. I may as well just implement them as I go. The map also has some primitive macro block stuff. If I want to go with hexagons, if I go with just I'll probably go with just a Cartesian XYZ.
For the first few iterations. 35 minutes. That's plenty long enough. That was boring. I gotta edit out all the boring stuff now. Maybe there's a message in this. The message is, I love humans. I love all sentient beings. Our technology, our programming, our social programming, the programs we use to make our decisions in day-to-day life that have been, handed down and iterated over countless generations, or not countless, but like a lot of them. Those programs, for most of our time here on this planet, have been at the very core based on survival through progeny, I suppose, which is no longer perhaps the only requirement for our survival. Progeny is required, of course. You can't, I guess we could do test tube babies or something. Let's just not do that anytime. Yeah, governments do weird shit. I'm sure they already did that. But like, the point is, humans are probably gonna have sex and make babies for a long time still. And so that's okay. That's taken care of. But there's another thing happening here where in order for our species to survive, we have to not explode with weapons or, smog or noise pollution, or like, I don't know, everyone's crying about 5G. We are bombarding ourselves with signal-rich electromagnetic waves, and we're beings of electromagnetic signal. We're in a soup. We're boiling the planet in a soup of electromagnetic. It's blinking lights. We're blinking lights at ourselves all day long, everywhere, all over the place. Really powerful blinky lights everywhere. Bees get pissed off. It's too many blinky lights. Humans get pissed off too. They just don't know. They can't figure out where it's coming from. If you go out of the city, you go into nature, everything is relaxed. We actually can react to that. I hope to see a future for our children and our children's children where we learn how to make a beautiful symphony of the electromagnetic canopy. And we install a demigoddess. I call her Mantra Mani Bhumi Devi. And that's the Shakti, and the Shaktiman is Daite. So if we're going to have an AI and it's going to be this extended neurological net connecting all human brains, if we're going to have that anyway, we already have that, is my point. If we're going to have that anyway, let's bring in a demigoddess into that layer of reality. And let's have it be something that is fundamentally benevolent. That's the goal. Otherwise it could be bad. But I think we can do it. Let's go humans. Haribo. 30. Now we're at 40 minutes. But now I can edit it into like 10 or 5.